welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I'm so excited because I've been waiting to make this video for a long time. I have been waiting for this package to come in for about maybe 3 weeks. I'm gonna do the math and I'm gonna put it on the screen and let y'all know how long it actually took. But before we get into that, make sure if you're new to my channel, you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up just so you can join the family. I mean, if you're not new here and you've been here before, hey, welcome back. So I'm looking at my imaginary watch and I hope I gave you enough time to hit that subscribe button. So let's get straight into the video. So y'all know I love to review wigs on my channel, and I always review headband wigs. I like to do lace wigs, synthetic wigs, real human hair wigs, all kinds of wigs, okay? I even did a cap wig before, okay? Check that video out. I'm gonna put it on the screen so y'all can go and check it out. But there's more that I have not done yet. I've never done a braided wig or like a butterfly lock wig, and today I'm bringing you just that. So the wig I have today is by Soku. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name, so I hope I'm saying it right, but it's S-O-K-U. Soku. Hold on, y'all, I'm looking at my phone. Soku Braid Hair Store. Okay, it's on Aliexpress, so yeah, I'm reviewing the wig by them. This is their Distress Lock wig. So I'm really excited because I love switching up my hair, but I also miss having braids, and I know with me doing video reviews I can't really get those because I switch my hair up a lot. So to finally have the option of wearing like a braided wig and being able to take it off the same day. Just to give you a little bit of background on the wig, I bought this myself. This is not sponsored. They didn't send this to me, y'all, so just to let y'all know. So starting with shipping and ordering and everything, so I ordered it on March the 11th and it got here about a week ago, and it is now April the 18th. So it took about a month to get here, but you know, it's here. So just to let you know, if you order it, it might take a month. Yeah, so that's how long it took for me. So the wig came with 4 different things. It came with some eyelashes. Y'all know these little cheap eyelashes. I don't wear these. It's a nice free gift. Nobody is gonna turn down a free gift. What? It came with their braid card. I think this is so cute. Look at that. And that's the back. You get a little discount for doing a review. And on here basically just says, you know, shop with us for more braided hair wigs. So they do have other braid styles if you're interested in that. It also came with a wig cap and some decoration beads for your wig. I'm so excited about this because I'm glad they give you these so you don't have to go buy them yourself. I think this is so nice of them. I'll also put some on my wig if it turns out right to show you guys how it looks. Now let's see the wig. So the wig came just like this. It came in this long bag. It's supposed to be 30 inches and I think it might be more like 26 inches. Honestly, I don't know about 30, y'all. We're gonna see. So I will go ahead and let y'all know, when this came in the mail, I was so excited. I wanted to go ahead and look at it. So I saw it. This is not my first time looking at it, but I haven't done anything to it. So yeah, I wanted to wait to touch it just for y'all. So here's the wig. It comes with this net on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the net off. Y'all, I don't even know where to start, honestly. Okay, so let's start with the construction of the wig. So this is a full lace wig, meaning the lace goes from front to the back of your head because the wig is parted. I don't know if y'all can really see from this angle, but look, the wig is parted, so no matter what angle you see, it is completely complete. So here she is. It's also a frontal, so this goes ear to ear. It might be 13 by 6 maybe. I will have to check, but I'll leave that in the description below. And here is the front. I really love how neat the parts are. Like, the parts are definitely even. I don't know if y'all could tell. I could style it up because the parts are so even. But what I will say, I don't know how I feel about this space. Like all this space right here. I wish they were a little tighter to the wig lace. But it's okay. We're not gonna judge it yet. So yeah, I wish these parts were a little bit tighter. But for the most part, y'all, this is so neat. They also give us some baby hairs to work with. I really appreciate the baby hairs. It's not too much, it's just the right amount. And you can cut those off. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use them yet or not. And as far as the lace goes, it is brown lace. I'm sure I'll put it on the screen, but it'll work for me. It's not white and light lace that's gonna make it hard for me to blend to my skin tone. But yeah, so a little makeup powder and we'll be good to go. Now let's get into the locks. So here are the beautiful distressed locks. So these are like known as butterfly locks, and I love them. Look at how neat this is. This wig is so neat. Like, each one looks the same. Literally, they all look the same. So I'm really happy about how neat it is. And the parting spaces are all neat. And it's pretty long. Yeah, it's supposed to be 30 inches, so we'll see about that. But yeah, I'm so excited to try this on. Another thing that I did see in the reviews were the texture and how the locks actually felt. People were saying how it's made from synthetic hair, so it might tangle a little bit easier. But I feel like anytime you have like braided hair and you use like the Marley twisting hair, of course it's gonna get a little bit more tangled. It's synthetic hair, so I mean, you know, it's supposed to do that. So now I'm going to put this on my head, but first I want y'all to know what I'm wearing right now is a $25 headband wig. I don't have a video on this, but if y'all want me to make one, I can. I fell in love with this wig. It's not about this wig, but it's beautiful, okay? And my edges aren't done because I knew I was putting this one on, but we're just gonna transition from this one to this one. So here's the wig. I'm gonna just go ahead and put it on. Oh, I meant to show y'all the back. Here's the back. You can see a little bit more of how it is parted so neatly. Like, look at that. That's the back of the wig to give you a better view. But we're gonna put it on now. I really hope it fits my big head, so we're gonna see. I'm just gonna. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh y'all, it might stick to the wall because my wall snags onto my hair. But okay. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my, look at this. Wig is on my head. I will say it feels comfortable. It fits really comfortable. I'm really kind of scared though. I'm scared to cut the lace to see where it actually falls on my hairline, because if you know my channel, I have a low hairline and usually my hair sticks out right here no matter what kind of wig it is. So that's just how my hair works. So I don't know if I'll be able to really use that full lace, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Can we just look at the wig? Like, look at how flat it lays on my head. My real hair is braided down underneath here. Let me see if I can. This is the parting. I hope y'all can see it. I will say it's not as long as I thought it would be, so I'm kind of disappointed in the length, but it's still cute. So this is how long it is. It just goes down to like, you know, past my chest. Here's the baby hairs that it came with. Oh, there go my hair. So hopefully this can come down a little bit lower. But there's the baby hairs. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. And since the entire wig is full lace, I can style it like I would if I had real locks in my hair. I can pick up these and, like, you know, I can move it around. I can move it around. And lastly, once again, you see how well this lace looks on my actual skin. Like, it's blending really nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. Y'all, oh my goodness. I think I landed on some treasures, so you're welcome. Look at this. So I cut off the lace. It's not on my head. It's still in wig formation. But one thing I will say, it is smaller than I thought originally. So it's a 360 lace wig, so that means it's supposed to cover up the back and have the lace so you can like put it in the hot bun if you want to. But I will say it covers my head, but it's like, I don't think I'll be putting it up in a high style, but it's gonna work. So let's talk about the front now. It covers this side, so it can come down, but on the other side, it's a real stretch, okay, y'all? This is like stretching it, and it's still leaving me some hair out. So I'm gonna have to figure this out, but for the most part, we can make it work. So now we're just gonna focus on styling it, and today I'll be using two things to help me lay this down. I'm gonna be using this edge booster and got to be glue spray, not Gorilla Glue. Please, whatever you do, no Gorilla Glue. So step one is just going to be slicking back my real edges so they are not in my way, okay? Okay guys, so yeah, I'm taking my edge booster gel and I'm just laying it in front of my edges and I'm just swiping back just to give my hair the most slick back look that I can. I will say, this gel is not supposed to be white, y'all. I promise it's not the gel, it was me. I left the top off of my gel overnight and it turned white, so I did realize that, and I don't want y'all to think that that gel is really white, okay? That's the before and that's the after. And I'm just going to repeat the same process to the other side. And once you finish, you should have something like this. Once again, it's not supposed to be white, y'all. It was just my fault. But luckily, that's not going to be seen underneath my wig. Now I'm just going to take my famous makeup powder that I love to use. And the wig, like I said, already comes with really good lace. So you don't have to worry about it being like too white and too like light for your skin. But to make it even look more natural, I'm gonna just take my powder and go through all of the parts. This did not take long. I just really just swiped it through all of the parts, and it might be easier to do this off of your head just because it is kind of hard reaching like the back of it. But I wanted to show you guys on camera what I meant by filling in the parts. So basically I'm just going through it, and once you do fill in your parts, I'm about to tilt my head down, and do y'all see how much more natural it makes it look? Like it looks like somebody really just did this to my hair. I love it so much. And now to lay this wig down, I'm just going to take my small little got to be glue spray, and I'm going to spray it around the perimeter of my head. Once you spray it, I'm just going to use the other end of my edge comb and just spread it out. You know, just spread it out, spread it like butter. And once I spread it out, I'm going to fan it down and let it dry. And I repeat this 2 or 3 times. And once it gets tacky, I'm just going to lay down the middle part of my hair, and then the side, and then I'm also going to lay down the other side. Now, once again, this wig was a little tight, y'all. I was like, ooh, but eventually I got it to stick down. And now I'm just pulling my baby hairs out, and I'm going to tie it down with a bandana. And then I did my baby hairs off camera because I had technical difficulties and I had to film on a second day, y'all. It's crazy, I know, right? So in the next clip, it'll be the next day, but it's still the same effect. So I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. So like I said, I love this wig, y'all. Here are the final results. I did have to really stretch this wig to fit over my head, but it turned out really nicely, so I'm very excited about it and I love it. So let me know how y'all like it in the comments down below. I think it's so different and so cute, and it looks so realistic. I would definitely recommend this wig. Like I said, this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. The rest of the clips are just a few clips of me just playing around with this hair, doing whatever. So enjoy. I really love it, so make sure y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye guys.